Hi, welcome to this 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗄 tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the automatic color correction in Premiere Pro 2022. Okay, so I've got Premiere Pro loaded up here. I've got one video clip inside of the media pool here, and I'm going to go to Windows, Workspace, and click All Panels. This will make sure that you see exactly what I see on the screen. I'm also going to go to Windows and make sure that the Lumetri color is enabled. We can now drag this video clip onto the timeline. When we drag it onto the timeline, we can move it to a certain position. We can also double click on the video clip. So if you double left click, it will load it into the player over here as well. So you can see them side by side. We're going to click on that video clip, go over to the Lumetri color. So you see the Lumetri color option here. Just make sure you go to Windows and make sure it's enabled in the drop down here. Now you can go ahead and click on the auto button here. When you click auto, it's going to make some slight adjustments to the color within this video clip. Right, sometimes it can be very subtle, sometimes it can be quite dramatic, depending on what the original clip was. So Premiere Pro is analyzing that video clip and is suggesting what the color, contrast and so forth should be for this particular video clip. Now if you don't like exactly what you see, you can use the tools right below to adjust it. So if you want more contrast, so if you want to make the shadows a bit darker over here, for example, you can drag this across and you can see the shadows will become a bit more darker, and you can change the exposure to make it brighter or darker as well. You can play around with these settings. You can increase the saturation to give it more color. You can even make it black and white if you want, but you can play around with the settings until you're happy. But the auto correct normally gets it quite accurate, right? So I'll press this button, press it, and it will adjust all the settings. If you click on the reset button, it will set all of the settings to the default. You can see they're all default settings here now. If I click auto, it will slightly tweak them and adjust them to give the best sort of color options for a particular video clip. So that's how you use the auto correction for colors in Premiere Pro. Okay, so that's the end of this video tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, where you can find over 750 free video tutorials on a wide range of software applications. And I look forward to seeing you in the next 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗄 tutorial.